dear.
I was like, I love that we're matching, first of all.
Yeah.
I love this for us. Second of all, right before we hit play, I was like, we both need a little attitude adjustment.
We're both pretty grumpy today.
Yeah, kind of grumpy. Everybody should come in and just spread some light.
That's right. We're on the downhill slide, the countdown to Quilt Canada, so it's like a mad panic in the back. And we're closed Monday and Tuesday to do our little reorg in here. So then that's also taking a lot of space up in here. So there's just not a lot of space for other things. And including,
either in our brains or physically.
And, I went to go do a stories instead of live on Instagram.
So, like, you've never done a story before a day in your life, but today was the day.
Actually, I don't do many stories. We've been getting a lot of stuff, a lot of boxes in the back. And I'm from Italy. Oh my gosh.
We're so international.
And as you know, if you've been here, our store is very tiny and our storage room is even tinier.
It is a like closet that masquerades as a storage room.
Yes. And we had over 20 big boxes back there a couple days ago. And the poor FedEx girl, like, we were just up to our eyes in boxes. Like, it was like you had this little goat path to get to the bathroom and to the, like, egress to the back door. And the poor FedEx gal comes in, and I, like, gave her the evil eye, like, what
are you doing
here?
What
do you have? And she just had this tiny little tube. She's like, I only have one. I was like, oh, sorry.
Well,
it's okay.
I was here, and there was, like, all these boxes in the back, and then I left on whatever day, Tuesday, I don't even know, the days are blurred together, and then I came back, like, 45 minutes later, and I was like, is it multiplying back here? So I was like, I'm pretty sure it was not like this.
They did. They multiplied while you were gone.
Literally. Then you snatched those 2 quilts for Quilt Canada, didn't you? And brought them home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Do I need to bring them back?
Well, I was like, oh, we should do like a little sneak peek of some of the things that are headed.
Pictures of them.
I meant on our live.
Oh. Gotcha. Well, sorry.
It's okay.
Maybe next week. I could bring them back.
Okay. I would love that. Do you guys want that next week? I think that would be fun. A little sneak peek of all the things that are going to be Quilt Canada.
Okay. We need to get started on a list because it's very long. It's a lot of little like. Beep, 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 beep.
I know. I'm like, I'm so tired. Why are we all so tired?
Okay, first a couple pre-orders.
Yes.
I finally got my Boop in a Group.
Her jars or her lollies in a jar.
Jen Kingwell's next block of the month Lollie jar is up for pre-order. It will start in January. The collection and all the things that go with, like the yardage, the pre-cuts, all of that is up for pre-order.
It's so,
also coming in January.
So
it is.
We saw it in person at H&H. It's just so beautiful.
It is. It's so beautiful. And I think different from like the lollies that are coming in July for gathered.
They're a little bit twisted.
They're a little bit subdued in color, I would say. Yeah. And these are back to being like bright.
Yeah.
And so
it's very fun because I feel like the ones that are coming in July have like this very like vintage, romantic, like worn,
earthy.
Like, yes.
Yeah.
Which is very much my jam, but like you cannot deny how fun this is.
Yes. So hand piecing, applique, curves, all those things. So.
And is it a block of the month, template of the month? Like what's the?
Yeah. Yes. All of the things. So every month you'll get the fabric, which will be mostly this collection, the Jar of Lollies, the template and the pattern every month. You'll get access to her videos, her hand piecing and applique videos, access to a Facebook group. If you only want the templates, we do have that option too. So if you want to use your stash, then you can just get templates only. And then of course, like always, to help save on shipping, you can get it shipped monthly or quarterly. But also with that, I want to be clear, the first month you have to pay for that shipping, and we ship it out so everybody starts together. And then following that, then it's the shipping split into 3, and then it goes out every 3rd month. Because just there's a lot of questions on that.
Yes. Help us help you, you know?
Then also up for pre-order, Houseplant, both the book and the block of the month from Sue Spargo. Both of those things are up for pre-order. Because we're winding down on Critter and Clover, so I'm looking forward to it. And this, I feel like you might have to do it. I mean,
so as we have mentioned, I've been gotten into the houseplants.
You've been bitten by the bug.
And I just love all my little houseplants, and I like to look at this, and I'm like, I can name these. I'm like, I know what all these ones are, and I have lots of them. And it was so cute. A gal called yesterday, because she was like, I've never done like Sue Spargo before, but like I just love this, and like was just asking questions about the block of the month. And she's like, I just really like houseplants. I was like, girl, same. So
this one, with the block of the month, you get the book, and then the fabric and wool packs, and the embellishment thread from Sue. So it will look like this. We're not kidding this. We're getting them directly from Sue. And the only thing that's not included in the block of the month is her creative stitching, which you do have to have because it has all of her stitches.
Very helpful.
And then the wool appliqué threads as well. The Alana threads are not included. Marilyn says you do have to do it.
Yes. And also, you know why? Because this begonia maculata is flowering, and mine flowered for the first time. I'm so excited. I think it's a sign.
It's a sign.
We look for signs anywhere to start a project.
That's right.
But anyways, gorgeous. And we did see it in person as well. And like, just
so good.
So great.
So good. Okay, then real quick, because the rest of the stuff... Okay, no, this is new. We'll do this first. Selvage Magic.
Yes!
No matter what I do, it's upside down. There we go. Selvage Magic from Ruby Star is here.
Like, on a bag, obviously, like, so cute. How cute would it be as a little quilted vest? Or a little girl's dress. But a quilted vest, like, how cute would that be?
Very.
I've been, like, roller coastering all the ideas. As a backing, I think would be really fun. Maybe the piecing part. But, so cute.
So cute.
What else?
Okay.
Whole cloth duffel.
We were...
Interrupt me anytime. I'll just keep going.
Remember that guy at QuiltCon that had the entire body suit, like, coveralls made out of selvages?
Yes.
And his were actually selvages?
Yes.
Could make that. But...
Easy peasy way.
Way easier.
Easier way.
Okay. Then, we were talking about Halloween last week, so why don't talk about Christmas this week?
Why not?
I mean... Okay. Gingerbread Lane from Kylie's Quilt Room. These are the kits. So the pattern and then everything for the top and the binding are included, not the backing.
And this is the small throw size. So 51 by 51.
And
it's so stinking cute, the little print.
It's so cute. And then the yardage.
I was so smitten with this. Did we see it at QuiltCon first? I think, maybe.
I don't remember where we saw it. Things tend to run together.
And I feel like towards the end of last year, like, our Christmas fabrics were so just, like, gone.
Because we get them now. And so by December, yes, they are gone.
Anyways, I'm real excited for, like, just a really cutie restock on some good, like, the gingerbread men are so cute.
What we loved about this is they're all kind of just small... easy prints. Like, there's nothing, there's no, like, big face.
Yes.
Or anything. It's all, like, blendery.
This one is the cutest. I love this. The little candy canes.
Little wreaths.
And so, yeah, the color palette is, like, this cream red, that, like, cranberry pink color, and then these nice sagey greens, and then the little snowflakes.
So, very traditional type palette, I would say.
Yes.
On the more vintagey side. Like, not like red, but like a vintagey Christmas vibe.
Very cranberry.
So that is Gingerbread Lane. I cannot believe we're starting to get Christmas fabric already. But, you know, that's the way it goes.
The nature of the biz.
Yeah. Okay, then we've been talking about this lots, oh dear. We do have something blue. Jeez. From Tilda. Yeah. It's here.
It's
the
so pretty.
pre-orders have gone out. We're working on the quote kit. So if you ordered a quote kit, those are coming, but it's, a fair amount of work to cut and fold and package them all. So those are coming in the next little while. But we do have a few pre-cuts, and good heavens, what is happening with that curl? And yardage left.
Yes.
So the 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares,
Cuts.
jelly rolls. Actually, I have to call that a design roll. I didn't realize till the other day that jelly roll is trademarked by Moda. And then
Really?
the fat quarter bundle for the blenders. The fat quarter bundle for the collection, they are sold out. I'm very sorry, but we do have the fat quarter bundle of the blenders,
And they're very cute. That little stripe that I showed you with the little pink flowers is.
And actually, when I first saw this collection, the one with the labels and the teacups, I was like, I don't know about that. But I love them. I love them. They would make the most beautiful little labels. So even if you got like half a meter, you'd have labels for
They're very
several
cute.
years.
Even and because it is such a large print, you could do it as a backing and then just use one of the
Yes.
ones on there. That'd be so cute.
Next week we will, we got some advanced yardage, and Edith made a sample with it, and it will be back next week for a video. And on the back, she did that. She used the labels, and she wrote in one of them.
It's perfect. What a great way to use that fabric.
Okay, then some restock things. Ugh. The show and tell kit
Yay!
from Moda and Elizabeth Hartman is back in stock.
Oh,
if you
it's
missed out the
so
first time,
cute.
so cute.
Have a little Quilt Canada thing with those.
Yes.
The small ones, the
Yes.
crib size or small size.
I think they call it the small size quilt.
Anyways, just dropping little Easter eggs for you guys.
Then Nest Embroidery has been restocked finally, and then she has 3 new ones.
When she says finally, she means we've restocked it. Nest
Yes.
Embroidery was stocked.
No, I meant me. I meant me. And also,
Not a Nest Embroidery issue.
also, I made a little mistake while I was ordering, and so it took even longer because I didn't realize that she provides full kits and then also kits that don't have the thread, so it's just the fabric and the hoop.
Fabric, hoop, or printed pattern on the fabric, hoop, and then the information, the QR code for the instructions and stuff.
So I got those.
And we were
very confused.
I was like, what's
But anyway,
happening?
So now we have the full kits back.
And we
anyway,
also have ones that just have
she has the new designs. The rooster.
I'm obsessed.
Stop
It's
it.
so cute.
And her new packaging. I also love
Yes, we
her new
love this
packaging,
kind.
little puff. And then she has the difficulty level on the back.
I think I'm going to need to do them. I love him. Look at his little eye. He's just so, unassuming.
And then the little...
The
I don't know if this is new or if we just never have gotten it
I
before.
don't know.
But anyway, and this packaging is recyclable.
I love the packaging.
Great.
No, it's so, I love when companies do a little rebrand on their packaging. I don't know, it's just very exciting. So yes, a few of them we got as just
Full kits.
yes. So you'll see that, pardon me, on the listing. When you go, it'll prompt you if you want the full kit or if you want just the printed fabric and
Yes.
hoop. If you're ordering online, and then when you're in store, it'll say it has stickers on it saying what it is, and
Yeah. That's
I'm
it.
so excited because really I am actually excited for the ones that don't have the thread because maybe you really like this but you're like, oh, I really wish I could do it in the oranges or something. I don't know, whatever
Right,
you do.
exactly. Or you're like, my thread stash is giant. I don't need more thread. And you could totally do it your own.
And they're a great price. That's actually what tipped us off because we were like, why are these kits so inexpensive?
Yes. Oh, Jamie and her
Ultimate
mistakes.
wisdom.
Yes. Okay, then Elizabeth Hartman new Cottontails pattern.
It is so cute.
So cute.
That pillow.
Yes. The little pillow with the 2 little bums.
Oh, so cute.
The new from Bianni and Quilting Alyssa.
The
The Bella Hood expansion pack.
And if you already have a Bella coat, you can make that to add on with the snaps, which we have in stock now.
Now we have
segue.
her tool-free snaps, so the nickel, antique brass, and then kind of a gunmetal color. Mm-hmm. And then also we're switching away from fold-over elastic on the big
Spoolie
spool
things.
and just the 2-yard pack. So we got all the colors in the little 2-yard pack.
Which is just so handy.
It is very handy. And then Kim pointed out to me that we didn't have all the colors of the mesh. We now have all the colors of the mesh. And
these are great. I'm so excited about these. Like the rolls, it's just a lot. And to keep track of inventory and stuff, it's kind of a pain.
It's a real pain.
And people usually get 2 yards.
I know.
2 meters.
I mean, there's a reason she made them that size.
It's almost like she knows what she's doing.
And speaking of Bianni, our live on Zoom with her is next Wednesday. The day after her reno. I don't know who schedules these things. It's fine. Everything's fine. But yes, our live with Annie is next Wednesday at 9 a.m. Mountain. The Zoom link will be in our calendar on our website, her calendar on her website, in our email that goes out next Tuesday. And I think that's it. And then we'll probably record it so we can put it on YouTube after.
Yeah. Even if it's just bits and pieces or whatever.
Yeah.
Some people have commented, and I'm bad at watching the comments.
Oh,
so
someone
I'm
was
just...
teasing you about shopping.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, that's our friend Anne. Oh, yes. Robin, yes, beautiful. Everything. Okay, good. We're caught up there. Can't wait for Tilda to arrive next week. It's so beautiful.
Yes.
I'm excited for you.
It's very beautiful.
It is.
Okay.
What
I think
else?
we got
Anything
through
else?
it.
Did we do it? Okay.
So, we will
Pleasure as always, everybody.
see you next week. Please don't drive here on Monday and Tuesday because the door will be locked. I'm very sorry. But we'll see you on Wednesday. Both on Zoom and here if you want to come see the changes.
Oh, YouTube isn't working?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, well, thanks for letting us know. We'll just... whatever.
We'll just put one of these on YouTube.
If anybody wants to bring a couple Americanos.
Yes. Americano.
Please.
With the little babies in it.
All right.
We will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.